All right, in this video, I'm going to explain how to export your Gerber files or your PCB files to JLC. So how we're going to submit these, not just to pass off, but how we're going to get these fabricated as well. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to download the shop. We can do this by going to the Econ shop website, so eceshop.bou.edu. We'll go to the project request form. Inside the project request form, we're going to go to PCB mill request. Down here, we'll go to shop cam and DRC. We'll go to Altium. Inside of design rules, we'll find this .rule file. And then we'll download the file. Okay, great. That file is downloaded. So we can now go to Altium. Inside of Altium, we'll go to design on the top bar. We'll go to rules.
Did that go down or not?
We'll go to design rules and we'll right click on design rules. Import rules. We will control A to select everything. After we control A, we'll click OK.
There is less of that weird.
Then we're going to find the file that we want to import, which is the one I just downloaded. Clear existing rules prior to import. We are routing on both layers, so we will click apply and then we'll click OK. So now that the rules are done, we'll want to do a design rule check. So here, we'll go to Tools, Design Rule Check, Run Design Rule Check. And you see I have two errors here. So what we can do is we can find what these errors are. Here at the bottom, we can click on it and it'll show us in our circuit where the errors are. For the sake of this video, I will just continue on without fixing them, but you guys will want to go and fix your errors before you go to export. After you've fixed all your errors, we're going to go and create the Gerber files. We'll do this by going to File, and then we'll go to New,
Let's do 50.
Output Job File. So then in this output job file, we'll go down to Fabrication Outputs, click Add New, Gerber Files, and then you'll select the name of your PCB document.
Oh, yeah.
Right click on Gerber Files, double click on Gerber Files, and make sure that you click .gerber. Click Apply. Add a new fabrication output. We're going to add an NC drill file with the same name. Then we're going to either add a folder structure if you don't have one, or I have one here, so I'll just click folder structure and I'll assign both of these to go to this folder structure. What this means is that when I download these files, it'll be in the same directory that my PCB and my other files are in. So then we'll click generate content. This will push it to that file, and here's a message saying, yep, we did it. So now I'll navigate to this output log, and here we can see the two NC drill and Gerber files that have shown up. So I'll select both of these, I'll right click, and then I'll compress to a zip file, and I'll name it. And you'll want to put your net ID there at the end, just so we can remember who's whose. Okay, so great. We have that. Now we'll go to JLC PCB and we can check to see if our file is good. So here is that compressed zip file that we were just looking at. We'll upload it to JLC, and JLC will be able to tell us if the upload is good, and we'll be able to look and see what the board looks like. And sure enough, we can see our two-layer board with the correct dimensions that we want, and it looks how we expect. The holes are in the right places, and so are the ground planes and the other components that we have placed. So yeah, once you've ensured that it's what you want, you're good to go, and this can be good to submit to the next step. Good job, guys.